Alright guys, so welcome to today's episode. In today's episode, I'm going to show you this different method I was talking about in the last video. And yeah, so this method right here is not that fancy. So the hair which you create at the end doesn't look as good as with the last method, but it is a method I would like to introduce to you because it can be useful in some situations. But yeah, so what you want to do is that you want to create the circle right here. And then you want to move it up to this line, okay? And then you want to extrude it. And then just do the same stuff as I am doing right here. So you just extrude it and move it up to the next line. And you do this until you've reached this top surface, okay? And what you want to do right here is that you want to select two of these and then press F and then just continue doing so while having one edge right here selected, okay? And that's how you form the top surface. Now, what we need to do now is that we need to form this, this back surface right here and those side surfaces. So what you want to do in order to do that is that we want to select this hairline. We want to even select a little more, let's say. Yeah, let's go all the way like this, okay? So select it, extrude, and then unselect those two always, all right? Wait. There we go. So what you want to do now before you proceed is that you want to go back to this wireframe mode and then just select 1/2, cut it away, and then go to the modifiers and then select the mirror modifier right here. Make sure that clipping is enabled, and there we go. So now create those faces right here. There we go. Wait. Wait. I've selected something wrong. So to make the hairline look more realistic, can move it a little bit up. Come on. As I'm doing right here. Wait. All right, there we go. So this is our template, all right? And we can now build upon this template. So what we can do now is that we could, for example, let me apply this mirror actually. So we can now create some interesting hair by using this solidify modifier. So I can now increase the thickness, as you can see, and then I'll receive some kind of afro hair. And by playing around with the thickness, you can actually determine how this hair is going to look like. And what you can do as well is that, well, you can first of all create that kind of hair, okay? But apart from that, you could actually take all of this right here, press P to separate it, and then you can apply a different thickness on each of them. Of course, you need to make it look realistically. So something like this, maybe, I don't know, right? It is up to you. Let's connect them back together. Okay, what you can do as well is that you can just, make randomly hair right here grow out. What I used to do back then, when I was new to creating hair, I used to do Zoro's hair just by pulling this back, okay? And as you can see, you receive this type of hair then by doing so. Yes, so you can literally play around while doing this. It is actually up to you. But as I've already explained to you, the hair is not going to be that fancy, okay? So my Pirates Voyage old version's hair used to, yeah, be created with this method, and the hair didn't look that good, to be honest. And yeah, so that's it with the second method. Yeah, I've just introduced to you. I hope that this was useful to you. If so, leave a like, subscribe, share this with all your friends, turn on notifications, comment something. And in the next video, we are going to combine the first method and this one. Okay, so you can combine them and you can get some really cool results by doing so. With that being said, see ya.